We fix your broken iPhone faster than you cut your hair. Dropped from a high floor, landing overnight on the busiest road. Then sinking into the deep sea or whatever you want to call it. Just bring in onto us. Our specialty is fixing things that others can't fix. Oh, I forgot to mention that we're the first certified independent repair provider Apple IRP in Malaysia. And offering face-to-face logic board instant repairs. With no data lost. Every customer who enters our shop comes with big hopes and leaves with a smile in their heart. We bring solutions to them. Every repair has its own story. Dr. iDevice, the trustworthy brand since 2013.